and Forest Point condominiums. And we are about to take a property tour of a condominium that you're going to be amazed. I was surprised it was a condo because it had 2 levels. It's an end unit. You have extra space. You have Mother Nature right around the corner. You guys are going to be so surprised. So here's the entrance to 4501. What I want you to note is this is a really nice vinyl siding. Not that you have to take care of it, but it also, this is a PVC and it won't rot. So your entrance is always going to look beautiful. Let's go check it out. Are you ready? I'm ready. Ta-da! And right off to our left is a great kitchen. You can always put a little table in there, but what they've done here is very marvelous. And this opens up. You see what I see, all that natural light. What they did is they put mirrors on the wall there to bounce the light around and make it even lighter. This is great. You haven't seen anything yet. And I don't go fast because people complain that I go too fast. Great flooring. This is bedroom number 1. They probably call it the master. This is the front of the end unit condo. Full bath right off this bedroom. There's a walk-in closet here. Very big. You can store a lot of your stuff. Let's check out the bathroom. So we'll call this the master. It's at the front of the condo, but there's a nice one in the back. Apparently I didn't turn on all the lights, but you get the drift. Another one. And then you walk back out. So hang in with me. You haven't seen anything yet. This place has so much character. Look at that. Great windows, a bookshelf, and maybe you collect something. You could put plants up there, decorated as they have it now. They put their dining table here. Again, it's very open. This is their living room and a fireplace. Great big windows, lots of natural light. Let's go out here. This is the upper deck. Now I want you to know underneath us is a patio. Look at this. Every night you can come home and relax, grab a drink, the newspaper, maybe text family and friends. Calmness and peace. I'm big on that. Our lives are so busy. We need to make them less stressful. This seems like a nice place to do it. Extra storage, which believe me, if you've seen a lot of condos, even townhouses, storage isn't high on their floor plan. So let's go to the second bedroom on the first floor. Well, okay, you got me. We're going to go to the first bathroom. Again, storage, nice and deep. Now, this is the same size bedroom as the other one, only it doesn't have the bathroom entrance right in the bedroom. It's right here. And you're gonna find that with every bedroom, there is easy access to a bathroom. Now, I'm showing this today for the listing agent. He was kind enough to let me make a video. Would you like to look at the closet and see how big it is? It's very long and deep. It has extra above storage, which is nice. Thermostat. This is another closet. Again, you're right out in the central area. But what you have to remember is we're going to go down those stairs and see a whole nother living space. And what's interesting about it, I love how they did these stairs. This living space, condo, 2 levels. I'm still trying to do the math in my head because it feels more like a townhouse. And again, this is an end unit. So you don't have noise on both sides. A lot of times they use cement walls in between anyhow. This is bedroom number 3. Pretty wall. Again, the closet. Right down the stairs to the bedroom. Full bath right here. Just walk across a little teeny entrance. This is a stand-up shower. Closet. More closet space. And here, this could also be another bedroom that just walks out onto the patio, because behind here is a closet. But they call it a family room or a living room. And there's a whole nother space behind there. There is so much space in this condo that I'm just tempted to call it a townhouse. But I know I'm wrong. Retainer wall. Again, we were up there. And now we're down here. We have 2 separate spaces, right? Look at this. Amazing. Hello. There you are, and there you are. Mother Nature, end unit, birds. Just relax. That's all you have to do here. No maintenance. Okay, I know. You're getting itchy. I'm taking too long. So let's keep going. And here's a nice big room. Could do anything with this. You could make this a bedroom if you so chose. If you left that one out there, the family area. Because there's a closet. Lots of storage here. Lots of open space. And a lot of outdoor area. Wow, this looks great. So we have our hot water heater, water meter, sump pump. Wow, we have our furnace, looking good. Washer and dryer, sewer, storage. Wait, do I have this right? We have all this storage in a condo and all this space. We have 2 floors. I know I keep repeating myself, but you know, $320,000. And then you'll say, Donna, but I have to pay every month $337 a month for amenities. But wait, maintenance free. They take care of the trash, they take care of the snow, they mow the lawn, and you have this great pool. Oh, wait. I'll have a video for that in just a moment. Okay, I know. Don't go fast. I get so excited. Call me to book a private showing, or if you have questions. Stay tuned for all the pool area, outdoor space. I never really stop talking. Stay tuned. This is the in unit we were just in. The condo that mimics a townhouse with all its space. Not just interior space, but exterior space that's maintained by somebody else, not you, with no worries. Forest Point condominiums. Look at this beautiful pool. You can enter from either side. It goes shallow to deep in the middle, 6 feet. Pool house over here. Umbrellas so you can eat your lunch, maybe a dinner. So awesome. And over here's the basketball court and the tennis area. Let's just take a look how clean that is. That's beautiful. And basketball. And great green space. Lots of places to walk. Very short distance from the condo.